Alright guys, I'm back with an unboxing. It is My Hero Academia Season 2 Part 2. I think I got this with this, or it might have been with Part 1, but I don't know. But it's part of the, one of them. But here's this. That's all that's in there. There's that, front, back, just that. And the first two did come with cards, and I think the Season 3 Part 1 Limited Edition came with cards, so I'm going to bring it all the way over here to here. Here's all the characters. I do have some of them in sleeves. Here's basically what the back of them are. It just lists their names and their hero name, birthday, height, class, and quirk. So there's the villains. I think there's 30, I believe. Here's that. Alright, let's swing back over here. Alright, let's put this to the side. Alright. Here's the front, which has All Might again, and Deku and Bakugo. Top. Bottom. Spine. The back. Oh yeah, there ain't nothing in there too. Put that right there. Here's the back. Oh, I didn't notice the damage. This one's Region A. This one has 13 episodes. Let's read that if you want. And let's go to the goodies first. I'm not going to take these out because it was a pain in the ass to put them back. I think this is a pencil case. This is a magnet set, which I did not open, and I think I opened this one time, I believe. Not sure. I think there's supposed to be a keychain with this. I think. I can't remember. But anyway, there's the art book, which has the... No, this one has heroes again. Back. Oh, and villain. Wait, no, that's not villain. For some odd reason, I always think he was a villain. Hellfire. Yep, that's the art book. One more flip. Oh my. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's fine. Alright, we have Ida on the front. This one. Spine. The back. This one has episodes 26 to 38. You have Asui, or Sue. Call me Sue. Digital code. Blu-ray one has episodes 26 to 34. Blu-ray 2 has episodes 35 to 38. DVD 1 has episodes 26 to 32. And DVD 2 has episodes 33 to 38. Yeah. And here's the back. Not much of a back. If I can flip it. There we go. Yeah. Like I was saying, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.